How to reactivate your deactivated Uber account. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to reactivate your Uber account. First thing first, go to your web browser and then head over to uber.com. Hit enter, and from here you'll get to the login page. So I am currently logged in, but in your case, you should be signed out of your account. So Uber allows you to deactivate your account for 30 days, but if you do not log in within that time period, your account will permanently be deleted and all of your data will be lost. So in order to reactivate your account, make sure you do it within the 30 days. So all you're going to have to do is click on the login button and then simply log into your account. So let's just sign in to Ride. And then from here, you can continue with Google if you want, which I've used, or you can continue with your Apple ID or your phone number. So once you log in, you should be able to easily reactivate your account. But if somehow the 30 days time period has passed, then in that case, you're going to have to contact Uber support. Hit enter, click on the first link that you see. Now from here, let's do this one, riders. From here, you can choose help with your account. Then you can do other stuff here, like your account settings. And from your account settings, you can choose I'm not able to log in or a similar kind of issue. Let's go ahead and click with the delete my Uber account. And then from here, you can scroll down, and if you need help with anything else, click on yes. Now from this page, you can just enter your phone or email here and then enter your new phone number. Just share that it has been over 30 days since you deactivated your account and you want to reactivate your previous account. If this doesn't work, then you can always sign up for a new account using the same email or phone number. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.